Okay learners, now today we are going to learn about latitudes through this activity. The first thing that you need to learn about latitudes is that they are just imaginary lines that are made for our benefit so that we can understand this planet division better. Now the line that divides the earth into an equal half is known as a equator. This much you can understand. Then the lines of latitude run parallel to each other. These are your lines of latitude. Okay. Now these lines are running parallel to each other and are being divided by equator. Now this part is your North Pole and this is your South Pole. This much you have understood? That means these lines are running east to west. Okay, this way, east to west, and they cover the whole of the earth going round and round. They help us to understand the divisions of different continents and the oceans better. Now, in totality, we have got 180 lines of latitude. Okay, this much you have understood. Now these two parts which are divided by the equator, the first one is known as the northern hemisphere, that is in the north, and this one is known as the southern hemisphere. Okay, so now this makes you easier to understand that the lines are latitude run parallel to each other, point number one. Secondly, they are equally divided by a center line of latitude which is also known as equator. This also you must know that the line running in the center of the earth, which is also an imaginary line, is known as equator. Okay, this much you have understood. I'll be telling you some points about this by the time you watch this video carefully again.